I mean, if I had 500,000 to spend, would I buy the Callum Vanquish? God, no, I wouldn't.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, because there is no supercars in my stupid country. Well, they're not where I'm from, but there is in Ireland, and I will get onto that in a second about what I have some news for you. Today's episode, guys, we'll be covering Manny Khosbin, Cars with Luke, DDE, and a few others on top of that. If you're new to the channel, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to check me out. I just give my thoughts and opinions, as I said, of what's going on in the supercar community. So if you like this kind of stuff, smash the subscribe button, give us a like, help the channel grow, because I will be doing vlogs and I will be doing like car reviews, and obviously the ultimate goal of this channel is to get a car project and show you guys what I can do when I modify a car. I think I'm pretty good at modifying cars, but I can't do it without you guys, and I need your help to help the channel grow. And when we get there, I will let you know. So I do have some news to give you, so thank God finally Loose Motors up in Dublin have gotten back to me, and they've said they've asked me to come up and to have a look around the dealership and show them what cars they have, and I get a bit of footage. So for you guys, I don't know when I'll be up in Dublin next. I'll see what I can do. Hopefully I can get up there soon to get you some footage of the cars that they have, so they will be definitely on the list too. But I did get an email from Ferrari up in Belfast. I'm surprised they actually emailed me, and they emailed me to let me know that they have gotten in the SF90 and an 812 GTS, and saying, if I want to come up and record the cars, I can. Now the good news is I'm going to be up in Dundalk next weekend for family birthdays, which is rich, just at the border of Northern Ireland. It's a 45-minute drive to the dealership. So my plan is hopefully next Saturday morning, borrow one of my sister's cars, fly up there and get you some footage of the SF90 and the 12 Superfast and whatever else they have there. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm just waiting to confirm that I'm okay to go up next Saturday. Once they give me the green light, I should be able to do it, so stay tuned for that one. Hopefully I can get you like a next vlog for this channel. It would be very exciting indeed. So let's move on to today's video and on today's who we're covering. We're going to start off with Cars with Luke. He's covered basically Aston Martin's new Callum Vanquish. It's a prototype that he checked out. It's not fully finished, it's 90% done, and he was basically just giving his views on it and the sound of the car and stuff like that. Now what I'm going to do actually first of all is, look, I'm just going to show you the car and it's starting up, and just give you the specs of it after this clip. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it straight off the bat. I do like it, but it's not worth 500 million. Did I say 500 million? Yeah, I think it was 500,000. Why am I saying 500 million? Don't know why. 500 million is a car's worth that. So 500,000 for that car. Now, I don't know if we all know, but the old Vanquish, like the gearbox isn't that great in it either, and this one, it doesn't look like, if you look, all the links in the description below, guys, if you want to check the videos out. He did have issues with the gearbox as well when he was driving it. They did say that they were going to make the gearbox a bit better before it was finished. But for 500,000, you're getting basically a 6-litre manual, a V12 of 580 horsepower. I mean, if I had 500,000 to spend, would I buy the Callum Vanquish? God, no, I wouldn't. It's overpriced. It's a nice car, don't get me wrong. I like the interior. It does sound nice. He did say in his video, it sounds like kind of like a Zonda. But for 500,000, like, I just go away and buy a Lamborghini SVJ. Why would I spend on an Aston Martin Vanquish when you know it's not going to be a great gearbox? It's a nice looking car, but SVJ pisses all over a Vanquish in my eyes, in my opinion. I would rather an SVJ any day of the week, purple one with the gold wheels, or a matte grey one with gold wheels. But anyway, but yeah, I mean, like, it's as good as the car it is. I don't care. SVJ would definitely, for 500,000, it's overpriced, but it does sound pretty cool. But it wouldn't be on my list to buy if I had the money. So yeah, check it out, guys. If you've seen the video, it's pretty cool, cool car, but definitely, in my opinion, not worth 500,000. Next on our list is going to be, we will cover DDE. So DDE have basically come out with their latest video saying they're doing a giveaway. They're giving away the Acura Intergra, as we say, a Honda Intergra here. It's only available to people in Canada and North America, you assholes. But I can see why. You can basically enter for free. There's a link there on their page to enter for free. Obviously, I think they're using DraftKings to do this. They probably couldn't do it, so they probably have to go through DraftKings, and that's why they're their sponsor. Because, as we all know, they've been trying to get rid of this car as a giveaway for a while themselves, but it's very, very tricky. So obviously, DraftKings have that. They have that section that they can do for them. And yeah, it's going to be interesting to see who ends up winning it. If it's going to be somebody in the States or somebody in Canada. If you are from the States or Canada watching this, please let me know in the comments if you're going to enter and how you get on, or what the form is like, because obviously I can't enter being in Europe. So I'm just glad they're actually finally giving this car away. I know it's been a while since they've been trying to give it away, and they're finally getting it done. And also, the other big news as well is Damon is moving from the island that he's on, and he's moving to Kelowna. They're buying a house there over the lake, and he's going to have a massive garage. They're going to have it as a new HQ. Now, how that's going to work with Dave, I'm not too sure, because they're going to be 4 or 5 hours apart from each other. Be interesting to see if Dave moves. I doubt it, but you never know with these guys. It's a business at the end of the day. But it'd be interesting to see when they move into the new house, and hopefully. He did ask for, peace and quiet and nobody going up to the house. I wonder how long that's going to last when people get his address, and probably won't even adhere to that, but you never know. So yeah, a lot of news coming out from DD, and yeah, interesting to see who ends up winning that at the end. Next on our list is TJ Hunt. He has continued on his builds with the Audi R8. It looks like they're after changing the oil out and basically got it up to room or engine temperature just to make sure it's running correctly. I'm glad he's getting closer to finishing this build. Can't wait to the twin turbos as well from Sheepy Race, because you know he's going to do it. The car still looks really sick at the moment, but it was really cool to hear the difference in the tone of the exhaust when you put the valves on and off. So here's a quick clip for you, just so you can hear the difference between the valves going on and off by TJ.
So valves are closed. I'm going to open them. Closed, open, closed. I'll put the camera outside the car, maybe you guys can hear.
So yeah, guys, there you go. I mean, big difference when he turns it on and off. Be interesting to see if he sticks with exhaust system or what exhaust system ends up being when he twin turbos it as well. But it looks like he's getting back to normal. Sabrina had her operation, and he came out with great news saying it went really well. I think they got 95% of the tumor out, which is excellent. So swift and speedy recovery to Sabrina. Delighted that everything went okay for her, and they are doing well. And can't wait to see more videos from TJ on the build. So next on our list is going to be Manny Khosbin. So Manny Khosbin's come out. Well, he's Rolls-Royce love this guy because he's bloody loaded. They invited him back to the dealership about the new Ghost that came out, and this is how rich he is. They shut down the whole dealership just for him, so he can go in and look at the Ghost. Like, you're that rich. Like when Rolls-Royce closed down their dealership to the public just for you, and he checked out the car. I must say, I would rather him get the Ghost than the Phantom. Lovely green metallic colour on it. It's got the starlight headlights drop, some insane features, white and black leather interior, gorgeous car. It's very long. I think this is an extra 7 inches long or something. But yeah, I mean, will he buy it? I think he is going to buy it. I think he has to run it by his wife. Would be a great purchase. I really do like the new shape of the Ghost. gorgeous car, and it's Manny Khosbin. At the end of the day, he'll probably end up buying it. How much they're going for, not too sure. They are 563 horsepower, 625 pounds of torque, so there's not as much power as a Phantom, I don't think, but still. I prefer it over Phantom. I prefer the shape of it. The interior is perfect. Love the interior on it. Talk about luxury, like, you know. I hope Manny does buy this Ghost. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen it and what you think of the car itself, and would you buy one if you had the money. If I was Manny Khosbin rich, yeah, I probably would buy one of these Ghosts. I really do like them, so I can't see why he would not buy it, but he has to get his wife and see what she thinks of it, because obviously she probably makes a few of those decisions as well. So who we're going to move on to last one on our list is one of my favourite channels at the moment. Well, not my favourite, but they're up there. Wheeler Builders. They have continued on their SVJ replica build. And yes, I mean, these guys are ridiculously good. If you're new to my channel, I cover these guys quite a bit when they bring out a video, because they are the Russian version of Bees for Build, but way more technical and go from the ground up on these things. If you need a channel to binge on, watch these guys. Trust me, the amount of work they put into this, 3D renderings, they make the foam, and they put all the welding together and the framework. It's just insane what these guys do. So our latest video is, it looks like they have the mold ready for the body of the SVJ. It looks like they've been piecing it together, and it just, I'm really interested to see how this turns out. I'm very interested to see what engine they end up putting into the car, and how close a replica is going to be, because they have no finished. I think they've maybe one finished project out of all the projects they're doing at the moment. But this is my most interested one. I really want to see how this SVJ kind of comes out. And yeah, it's great. They're funny as well, actually. I know the voiceover can be annoying, but in fairness, you know, just for the amount of work they put in, and they can be a bit funny sometimes. But I'm glad this build is getting on, and it's going to be interesting to see how they end up finishing it. So if you're looking for something to binge on, definitely check them out. Link in the description below. So that is everything for today, guys. It's everybody covered. I'm waiting for my new sign to get here. My Lamborghini AV sign should be here in the next few days. And that is everything for today. And yeah, so I'm going to catch you in the next episode. It'll probably be whenever, I'm not too sure. Busy. But please stay safe. Peace out, and catch you next episode, and bye.